Good morning, dear students. Welcome to GK class. Today we will start a new topic and learn about ISRO. ISRO is the Indian Space Research Organization and we will study about its history. That too from transporting the parts of rockets and satellites on bicycles and bullock carts to reaching Mars in its very first attempt. Let's learn about it. In 1950s, as the USA and the Soviet Union entered the famous space race, the seeds of ISRO were sowed by two great Indian scientists. Can you name them? Their names are Homi Bhabha and Vikram Sarabhai. In 1962, Indian National Committee for Space Research was set up and known as INCOSPAR, with Sarabhai as its first chairperson. Slowly and steadily, INCOSPAR grew, and on 15th August 1969, it became ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. In its early years, ISRO neither had advanced facilities nor an experienced workforce. But still, it doesn't lose the hope. Moreover, Sarabhai's unexpected death left everyone in a shock. ISRO was then spearheaded by Kalam and Dhawan. Everybody knows about APJ Abdul Kalam. With the help of the Soviet Union, India launched its first satellite named Aryabhatta in 1975. But it was possible only because of great Abdul Kalam. The satellite was made by ISRO and the launch was carried out by the USSR. 5 years later, in 1980, Rohini became the first satellite to be launched by India, as earlier it was launched by Soviet Union. ISRO then developed its own launch vehicles. Then the launch vehicles were also developed in India only. PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, was the first launch vehicle of India. GSLV, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle, was later developed by ISRO. Today, ISRO holds 3 world records. Do you know what are they? Let's see it. The first major milestone came in 2008. What was that? When the Chandrayaan-1 mission discovered water on the moon. Yes, it was Chandrayaan-1 who discovered that water is there on the moon. Another major highlight for ISRO came in the year 2013. You might be thinking what it is. It is when it launched the Mars Orbiter mission, better known as Mangalyaan. When the mission was launched, foreign media mocked India. They were shocked that India can also do that. And there was news all over the world. But India has started knocking even NASA. And in 2014, India became the only nation in the world to reach Mars in its first attempt. And you know it was possible only because of Narendra Modi. With this, ISRO became the fourth space agency in the world and the first one in Asia. Are you feeling proud to be an Indian? That we reached the red planet, and that too in the very first attempt. The third world record was made by ISRO in the year 2017. I am sure you all can recall it. Yes, it was when it launched record 104 satellites in one go. Can you imagine launching 104 satellites in just one go? India broke the earlier record of launching 37 satellites in one go, which was held by Russia. Earlier we were taking help of Russia, now we have broken the record of Russia. ISRO's Chandrayaan 2 launch in 2019 was a partial success.